This drill is to help you work on subcuticular stitches. So here's how it goes. This technique is really just to kind of run the subcuticular stitch, not really to start it and whatnot. There's a tutorial on that. But what you're gonna do is retract it, and you're gonna essentially kind of feed the needle through the inside of the little tunnel, just making sure you're not buttonholing on the other side. So you can do it on this side, and then you can retract here. You can do basically the same thing